A beam finds the edge of something floating, warm enough to glow but not to burn. The dust doesn't move, it remembers how to hang between what's seen and heard. Light bends where the smoke begins. Sound bends where the smoke gives in. Two strangers in suspended matter. Neither one knows who arrived first. The frequency before the word. The shape a mouth forgets to make when it stops pretending. Below the room, below the floor, below the name. The larynx holds a thread that ties the crown down to the flame. Smoke between two frequencies is a country with no map where wavelength wraps around resonance and the distance starts to collapse. A chest opens like a cathedral, fills with every mode it can hold. The tango isn't two things dancing, it's one thing learning how to fold. The gate between the felt and seen is thinner than a breath, is thinner than a membrane, is thinner than... Dust doesn't care about the frame, it floats through every wall alike. And when the light bends right, the smoke becomes the instrument. A belly full of root and bark, a nerve disguised as wood. 7 rings around one tone, finally understood. The smoky affair was never smoke, it was matter made visible by sound. Two essences that found each other in the body of what holds the ground. Dum 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 dum.